And here's my pre-lit, I believe it's 5 feet and maybe 6 feet, white Winterland Halloween tree. But here is mine. Now, what you will notice differently from the actual pictures on my blog post, if you visit my blog or on my blog and you're now watching the video, is that I did add these little metal stars I've had for so many years, like 10 years. I added a little gingham ribbon to them. And I also added these. They're not in the ornament video, but they are part of the DIY tree because I just took some fabric that I had and thought it would be super cute to put these embroidery hoops on my tree. So I added the cute little fabric, which happened to be like a Halloween napkin. So I just upcycled a napkin and made them into embroidery hoops, and I have different sizes. So, aside from the stars and the witch brooms, everything else I made or I upcycled. For example, these little clips. I hot glued just a little clothespin to the back and upcycled these little chipboard Halloween guys, and they're kind of all throughout the tree. I made this cute little ghost hold one of the little chipboard clips. And there's the cute little DIY garland I made. I kind of have it zigzagging throughout the tree. On the top of the tree for the tree topper, I just simply stuck in 2 fall picks that are really full with the leaves and the berries and the pumpkins. And then I took some gingham ribbon and cut it into pieces, snipped the ends, and I just folded them in half and stuck them inside the top of the tree all the way around it. A cute little throw that I had. I just wrapped it around the base, around the tree stand, and it makes a great little tree skirt. I also love that it comes with a foot clicker or a hand clicker. So having a little foot clicker or hand clicker is super convenient. So this is my Halloween tree from Treetopia, and be sure to come back to see my full Halloween tour. I just wanted to give the tree its own video. And as always, thank you guys so much for tuning into my video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys back here for the Halloween tour. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.